Come walk with V. This is day 4 and today is a Sunday pero naglalakad po tayo dahil maaga po tayo nagising at kesa mag-phone lang tayo na mag-phone, eto po tayo. Quick recap, here's your stats for February. Slowly but surely, we are moving more and more. So good job self, keep it up. Go, go, go. Meron lang din akong gustong ikwento. So like, kahapon lumabas ako to meet with a friend and nag-Starbucks kami. Meron akong gift cert. So, nag-venti lang naman ako ng mocha frappuccino. And the point of the story is even if we are trying to lose fat or yung weight natin gusto natin ipababa, we don't really have to deprive ourselves of things na gusto natin o yung mga masasarap, lalo na dun sa mga tao na mahilig mag-sweets. I'm not on the hindi ako mahilig sa matatamis, pero yun nga, ang gusto ko lang i-impart is if I don't drink that every day, that's okay. Hindi ko gina-justify, but more of like, I'm encouraging everyone to have a healthy relationship with food. You don't have to be afraid of trying things na kinakain mo before, but you really just have to improve on discipline, dun sa limit ng mga kinakain mo, and then don't feel guilty. Kunwari ako, I don't feel guilty of like having a venti drink. More of, okay, after nun, kakain ba ako ng marami pag uwi ko kung matutulog na lang naman ako? Siyempre, hindi. So, bawi na lang din kinabukasan. And, ayun. So, may sense ba yun? Anyway, have a good one today. Enjoy your day and